Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well at home. Now children, today I am going to teach you science chapter number 1, types of plants, part 2. Okay children? Now before starting this chapter, let's take a quick recap from our previous video that you have already studied. हमने क्या पढ़ा था part 1 में children? What we had studied? Types of plants. Trees, which we call big plants. Shrubs, which we call small plants. And herbs, which we call very small plants. Understood? Now, today we are going to study in detail about climbers, creepers and water plants. Okay children? Now, let's start. First we are going to study in details about climbers. Okay children? Now, tell me what is the meaning of climb? Climb का meaning क्या होता है children? What is the meaning of climb? Climb means चढ़ना. Understood? तो कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं they need support to climb. अगर उनको support नहीं मिला तो वो climb नहीं करेंगे, चढ़ेंगे नहीं, वो ग्रो नहीं करते. They need support to climb. Climb मतलब चढ़ना. That's why these plants are called climbers. Understood? Now see, some plants have weak stems. Climbers जो plants होते हैं उनके stems weak होते हैं. That's why they are not able to grow properly. They always need support to grow. They cannot stand upright without support. Without support, और अगर उनको support नहीं मिला तो वो ऊपर stand नहीं करेंगे, चढ़ेंगे नहीं ऊपर. They climb on other plants and things. उनको एक plant का support चाहिए है या कोई thing चाहिए. That's why these plants are called climbers. उनको सपोर्ट, बिना सपोर्ट के वो ऊपर नहीं चढ़ेंगे. Now these are the example of climbers children. See, grapevine, pea plant, money plant. Have you seen a money plant in your house? Money plant आप लोगों ने घर में देखा है ना? उनको कोई सपोर्ट चाहिए होता है ग्रो करने के लिए. Understood children? Now next is creepers. Now children, the meaning of creepers is to spread. मतलब फैल जाना, ground में ही फैल जाना. Creepers, to spread. Understood? Now see, creepers are plants with very weak stem. Creepers जो plant होते हैं उनके stem भी बहुत weak होते हैं. That's why they are not able to grow. इसलिए वो spread हो जाते हैं. They spread their stem with their branches also. They creep along the ground by spreading their stems or branches. उनके stem weak होते हैं. That's why they creep along the ground and spreading their stems or branches. उनके स्टेम और ब्रांचेस भी ग्राउंड में क्रीप हो जाते हैं, मतलब फैल जाते हैं. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? नाउ दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ क्रीपर्स लाइक पंपकिन एंड वाटरमेलन. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? ये ग्राउंड में ही फैल जाते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज वाटर प्लांट. ओके, वाटर प्लांट्स आर द प्लांट्स that grow in water. Water plants वो होते हैं जो water में ही grow होते हैं. Understood? Not in the ground. Most water plants are herbs. कुछ water plants जो होते हैं herbs होते हैं. You know ना, herbs which we call very small plants. Correct? Now these are the example of water plants like water lily, lotus. ये दोनों ही plant water में ही होते हैं. Understood children? Very good. Now children, plants are very important. Plants बहुत important है. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Plants बहुत useful है हमारे लिए. See, how does the plants are useful to us in many ways? वो हमारे किस किस काम आते हैं children? We get food from the plants. हमको food मिलता है plant से, like fruits and vegetables. We get medicines from the plants. For example, तुलसी, mint, पुदीना. ये सारी चीजें हमको कहाँ से मिलती हैं? Plants से children. We get paper from the plants also. जिसमें हम लिखते हैं ना, वो पेपर भी हमको कहाँ से मिलता है? Plants. Understood? We get fibers also. Fibers से क्या मिलता है फिर? जूट. और जूट से फिर क्या बनता है? Basket, which we call juice basket. Clear? Plants keeps the air fresh and clean. Plants air को fresh और clean रखता है children. See, plants with colorful flowers make our surroundings look beautiful. हमने प्लांट्स देखे हैं ना, बहुत सारे कलरफुल, बहुत अच्छी खुशबू देते हैं. वो हमारे सराउंडिंग्स को फ्रेश और क्लीन रखते हैं और सराउंडिंग्स हमारा बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल दिखता है उससे. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? Trees are homes to many animals, birds and insects. बहुत सारे birds ऐसे हैं जो अपना home बनाते हैं trees में. And animals, they get shade under the tree. वो trees के नीचे बैठते हैं. We cannot live in this world without plants. Children, we cannot live in this world without plants. हम plants के बिना नहीं रह सकते. We should save plant. हमको plants को save करना चाहिए, बचाना चाहिए उसको. We should grow more and more trees. Now children, promise that you should grow more and more trees. एक तो हमको plants को save करना है and the second one is we have to grow more and more trees. Understood? Save trees. They will save you. हम trees को बचाएंगे, trees हमको बचाएगा. Understood? Plants are very useful to us. Plants हमारे लिए बहुत useful है children. We must save them. हमको उसको हर हाल में बचाना है, काटना नहीं है. Understood? I hope you all have understood children that we should save plants. Correct? So children, you have to read this chapter and thank you for your interest and support. Take care all of you.